Where is? In Malay, master.
Di mana?
Fast for travel. Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Strap in for a quick, funny adventure where one magical phrase unlocks every city.
Di mana?
Think of a clueless compass spinning wildly until you ask.
Di mana?
It snaps to north and bows. Your goal today. In minutes, you'll ask for places like a pro, clear, polite, and confident. English. Where is equals Malay.
Di mana?
Mini mnemonic. D equals it, in a place, mana equals which, where. Together.
Di mana?
At which place. Pattern.
Di mana?
Plus place. Full question, e.g.
Di mana station?
Add places. Instant phrases. Say them out loud with me, your mouth is your best flashcard. Station. Pattern equals.
Di mana?
Plus.
Station.
Full.
Di mana station?
Toilet.
Di mana tandas?
Hotel.
Di mana hotel?
Bank.
Di mana ban?
Quick answers you might hear.
Di sini.
Here.
Di sana.
There. Try it. Ask for the toilet now. Model.
Di mana tandas?
Street dialogue. Picture this. You at an info desk with a friendly guard. You.
Di mana station?
Local.
Jalan terus lepas itu belok kiri.
Go straight, then turn left. You.
Di mana tandas?
Guard.
Di sana.
Over there. You. Thanks. Bonus tip. Add a smile and a tiny shrug, it helps. Rhythm drill. Clap or tap with me, language loves a beat. Call and response, 4-beat loop. You.
Di mana?
Crowd.
Sesang.
You.
Di mana?
Crowd.
Tandas.
You.
Di mana?
Crowd.
Hotel.
You.
Di mana?
Crowd.
Dan.
Culture tip at the Mamak. Be extra friendly and you'll get directions plus a smile. At a Mamak stall, try a polite opener with your question.
Mas di mana tandas?
Or.
Tolong di mana tandas?
Expect a helpful point plus maybe the aroma of Teh Tarik guiding you. If they say.
Di sini.
Or.
Di sana.
Follow the finger point. Memory magic. Let's make your brain sticky with a quick rhyme and a move. Rhyme. Need a place, no drama, just ask softly.
Di mana?
Quote. Gesture. Raise both hands, palms up, eyebrows lifted, and say.
Di mana?
Movement combo. Step forward, look around in a small circle, shrug, ask.
Di mana?
Quick quiz time. Answer aloud. I'll reveal the answer after a short pause. 1. How do you ask, where is, in Malay? Answer.
Di mana?
2. Choose the Malay for station. Answer.
Sesang.
3. True or false.
Di mana?
Means, when is. Answer. False. 4. Fill the blank. Underscore 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 station. Answer.
Di mana station?
5. If someone says.
Di sana.
Do you stay or go? Go, it's over there. Your speaking challenge. You've got this. Say it out loud and own it. Ask for the hotel now. Model.
Di mana hotel?
Ask for the bank now. Model.
Di mana ban?
Bonus. Point to a map, tap 3 times, and say.
Di mana?
To lock it into muscle memory. If you're lost, whisper it like a friendly spell.
Di mana?
Watch that imaginary question mark road straighten into an arrow. Thanks and next steps. Nice work today, your travel superpower just leveled up. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Di mana?
With places like
Susan. Tandas. Hotel. Dan.
and answers.
Di sini. Di sana.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, drills, and downloads at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, traveler.